In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background from a picture with no skills, okay? You don't have to know Photoshop, you don't have to know Canva. All you need to know how to do is click something 3 times, and in 30 seconds, you can completely remove the background from pretty much any image. And we're even gonna do some tests on screen to kind of prove that that's true. I've been using this method for about 6 months now, and I've come to realize I think a lot of graphic designers are actually using this method. All those designers charging you all that money, I'm pretty sure a lot of them are just using this simple piece of software. You want proof? We can look at the screen here, okay? This is using the software that I'm gonna show you here. This is an image of me. Done in 20 seconds on that software. There's another image of me. You can see really, really clear, crisp lines. I mean, look at that. You can zoom in there. Look at my hair. Like, can you see how I was able to get almost every single hair? Super, super impressive work, and it's free. And the same thing there. We'll zoom in, and you can just see how, whoa, too much. You can see here how it got almost every single bit of everything removed that was not me. One thing you need to know is this is going to be a software that does this. There is a free and a paid option, okay? And everything I'm showing you is on the free option, is available on the free option. What the paid option does is essentially let you do it with really, really high res images. So if you wanna spit out, a 3,000 by 3,000 image or something like that, you'll have to pay a small fee to do that. But for the average user, the totally free edition of this software will work perfectly for you. Okay, so the image that we're gonna do the test with and demonstration with is this picture right here. I chose this picture because, as you can see, it's got a decently complicated background, okay? There's grass and a fence and different, I'm closer to the fence in some places and farther from other places. So this will be what we teach you with, and then we'll show you on some even more complicated pictures how it handles things like that. Okay, so we're gonna start a timer here in a few seconds, and we're gonna show you how this can be done in 30 seconds. Okay, so on your mark, get set, go. Okay, so the first thing you've got to do is you're going to go to a website called Remove.bg. Okay, Remove.bg, and guess what? You don't even have to have an account to be able to use them. They don't even require an email address to get your image. All you've got to do is go to their home page. You'll click and you'll drag onto the home page from your desktop, and boom, it starts to work. And boom, we've got it. Okay, I don't know what time that was, but I can tell you that was less than 30 seconds. Okay, and so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna actually look at it. We're gonna look at the download and see, exactly how good of a job it did. As you can see, you can get the free one with about 600 times 400, or you can pay and get the full, 2,000 times 1,500 image. And we're gonna pay just so we can show you what it can do. I think it costs maybe something like close to 50 cents if you want to pay and get the full high-res version. So we just opened up on the screen the image that it gave us here, and we're gonna kind of zoom in and look at how it did, okay? Pretty zoomed in there, and you can see really, really crisp, really crisp lines. Got the laptop and all of its, little lighting things perfectly. You can see my hand, perfect cutout of my hand. Little teeny bit of a catch there, whatever that is, maybe a little piece of the fence. But you can see hair, did really well on hair, ears, and all the pieces of the hammock. Overall, a really good job for something that takes 20 seconds, which is a lot faster than me or even my designer could do that. And now we're gonna run just a little test, okay? We're gonna run a test and see what it does with some maybe more complicated images. I already know I'm gonna get comments down below like, hey, it looks like that image is easy because it's black on beige or whatever. So we're gonna do this image next, okay? So this is, as you can see, a much more complicated image. Lots of different colors, 3 different people, crazy background. We're not necessarily standing out, from the background, especially like along here and things like that. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna throw it in there and we're gonna see what happens. Boom, there we are. Okay, let's download and have a peek at what we come up with. And we're gonna pay a credit for it. Here we are looking at the final image. You can see it did a really good job. By the way, do you guys know who this is? This is Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson. But you can see, Russell's got some complicated hair. He's got some pokies and stuff going on. You can see just a great job on Russell's hair. Great job on my hair, though my hair is a little more flat, as is Todd's. We can follow the lines down here. Did a really good job with hands and clothes. Great job right here. Okay, you can see right here, right along my jacket line and everything. I think it did a great job because, guys, look what I'm wearing. If you look at my original image, that is pretty similar, right? You see how, this is black and dark gray. This is black and dark gray. I'm wearing a gray shirt with a gray background. Really good job for a free, quick software to whip that out and differentiate like that. All right, so if you watch this video, you learned something, right? This is something new and it helps you, give me a thumbs up. That's my tip. And then let me know down below. Next video is actually going to show you 9 tools just like this that I use in my business that you can use in your online business. So if you want more free tools and you've been blown away by this one, you're going to want to watch this one.